Make sure the seat you're in is comfy because you're now locked in to JTech's official TV.
But Kuya, you got party last night. But I could have waited you for drink so make you fall up like a dish towel.
Kulu.
Kulu? Well, it no matter what you drink anyways. See some scarcity ya. If you take time I might need dash way, you know. See ya. No man. Drink that.
Strong.
Just remember say you see, when you finish drinking tea, I could have 5 million here you finish take for drinking. You have the plate them to go wash up. You have to go sweep up. You have the 3 hungry belly pig them on the back to go feed. You have the 6 hungry belly goat them where you made from money like somebody I hang them to go tie out. And you have the 9 bad breed cow them we got tired as well. Just remember that. So you decide, make sure you decide whether you want to drink it fast or you drink it slow. Alright. I just kiss your teeth in the boy.
No, mommy, I know you me there kiss me teeth off. I T-bone me pa me lip.
Free. Make sure you clean up your junk on this too.
Leave a like, subscribe, share, and go watch my previous videos. Stay tuned.